I hate this.
This feeling of not feeling alive, like you're really dead, but you're alive.
Are you recording?
No.
Lies. Lies and slander.
Let's get out of the carnival. Oh God, I almost got to get.
So bad.
Just kidding.
We're on the roller coaster of death. Wait, Ferris Bueller. It's almost like a roller coaster run by crazy Russian guys.
Who called us fat?
You can like, yeah, kind of.
They call us fat.
You're supposed to let 4 people on, and they saw me and Bethany coming, and they're like, no, 3. What is that shit?
Oh, it's so sad. It's so funny at the same time. No.
I want to be more you.
Yeah.
We were at the St. Joseph. The lights went out for a minute. That freaked me out. So this ride to get out of a Cracker Jack box. Yeah.
Is this the only ride? No, wait. You went on the fun house. Whoa.
Yeah, the fun house over there.
Oh God, it's gonna go fast.
Yep.
Put your hands up, kids.
Oh God. You can like, I feel like if I look behind me, there's gonna be smoke rolling off of here. This is fantastic.
Oh God.
So that's...
Oh God, no! It's not going as fast.
I know.
It's probably because they're fast.
Oh, this, we're weighing it down. That's so nice.
Some of the people who thought, you know, they said it was faster, but like, don't fast faster.
Is it already over?